What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. We are going to be checking out this absolutely insane Duke Dynamics Lamborghini Aventador that showed up to Pistons at the Park. It's a really crazy one-off kit. Basically every single one is just I don't even know, it's just a crazy car. So I'll let y'all check it out with a few edits, and then I'll basically walk around it talking about it because everything on it is phenomenal. Alright, so a really interesting thing that I found on this car is check out the little sparkle that it has on the carbon fiber and on a lot of the other things around the car. It just looks crazy. It has this crazy sparkle, and guess what that is? That is actually diamond sparkles that they throw on the little bit of carbon fiber and also on the little panels. I don't know if these are also aftermarket or not, but it's not actually on the white pearl from the car, so I'm guessing that it is just from the little kit of the car. It looks really crazy, and I hope that y'all like it. Down below in the little section where the like button is, and comment what your favorite thing about this car is. It's just a crazy thing that we actually found it here at Pistons at the Park today, and I hope y'all also think that it was super cool. Like and subscribe, and I'll check y'all out in another video.